Hey guys, finally got me a Ruger SR-1911. I've wanted one of these ever since they came out. Was in Las Vegas just a couple days ago. Called every gun shop in Vegas. Only one place had it, so I went down and grabbed it. So we're going to take a quick look at it, put some rounds through it, hopefully have a lot of fun with it. But I got the Commander type, which has the 4-inch barrel. Actually, it's 4.2, I believe. You can also get this with a 5-inch barrel, but me, I prefer the 4-inch. You can see it's all stainless. Nice wood stocks on it. Gun is unloaded. Now this one comes with two 7-round magazines. The full size comes with two 8-round magazines. Full size 5-inch barrel. Again, this one's 4.2. But let's take a quick look at that. Yeah, that is a pretty gun. So, I'll show you the ammo we're going to put through it. I'll put some earplugs in, and we'll do some shooting. Hey, real quick, let's go through some of the ammo I'm going to shoot. Now, everything I'm going to shoot today is going to be 230 grain full metal jacket, just to break the gun in. I've got some Winchester. Okay, I've got some Browning we're going to shoot. Again, 230 grain. This here has black cases. That's pretty cool. And I have some Federal aluminum. Some guns just don't like aluminum ammo, so curious to see if this Ruger's going to shoot it okay. Alright, let's load up and do some shooting. Let's try some of that aluminum cased ammo, see how it's going to feed. Oh yeah, it likes that aluminum. You know, I've spent the last day and a half putting a lot of rounds through this gun, and I did not have not one single malfunction. Really just an excellent gun. If you're thinking about a 1911, take a look at the Ruger SR-1911. You will not be disappointed. In fact, this is becoming one of my all-time favorite handguns. If you've never picked up a all-steel 1911 chambered in .45 ACP, if you've never done that, you've never shot one, man, you just don't know what you're missing. Anyways, I appreciate you guys watching my video. And we'll see you next time. How was that?
Cool, I like it.